Welcome back to TechVibes. Today we are fixing a massive problem hitting Amazon Fire TV users. Amazon is targeting third-party streaming apps with warning triangles. When you launch them, you get a message saying the app uses unlicensed content and will be disabled. Do not panic. There are 3 simple methods to bypass this block completely. The first and fastest workaround is sitting right on your screen. When the warning message pops up, simply click the button that says Launch Anyways. This immediately bypasses the block and opens the app so you can start streaming right away. But what if that button stops working or gets grayed out? That brings us to our second method, which is installing a newer version of the application. Developers constantly update these apps to stay ahead of Amazon. To update your apps, go to your settings and select My Fire TV. Click on About, then highlight your Fire TV name. And click the center button on your remote several times until it says you are a developer. Go back, select Developer Options, click Install Unknown Apps, and turn on the toggle for the Downloader app. Now open Downloader from your home screen. Enter the developer code for your app into the search box, https://go.aftvnews.com/5021173, and click Go. Follow the prompts to download and install the update. For example, moving from version 2.3.4 to version 2.3.6 completely removes the warning triangle and lets you stream safely. Before we look at the third method, it is highly recommended to use NordVPN to run smoothly any apps on your device. A premium VPN completely masks your streaming traffic and stops your internet provider from blocking your favorite platforms. The installation link for NordVPN is mentioned in the description and comments below. Now, what if your favorite app does not have a new update available? This is where the third method comes in handy. We are going to clone the app. Go to the magnifying glass on your Fire TV home screen and search for an app called App Cloner. Download and install it. Before opening it, go back to your Fire TV settings, open Developer Options, select Install Unknown Apps, and turn App Cloner on. Open App Cloner and select the streaming app that is giving you the triangle error. Click the clone button and let the app process. When it finishes, click Install. This creates an exact duplicate of your app with the same version number, but without the Amazon block code attached to it. When you look at your apps list, you will see the original version still has the triangle, but your brand new cloned version is completely clean and ready to launch. These 3 workarounds will keep your streaming apps up and running on your Amazon Firestick without interruptions. If you found these tech tips helpful, please drop a like, leave a comment down below, and smash that subscribe button for more guides from TechVibes. See you in the next video.